Latafa Najdia. Ito ang perfume na bibigyan natin ng review for tonight's video. Okay. So, si Latafa Najdia, we got this probably a month ago. Okay. And the price is less than 1,200 pesos. And nakita natin on our first impressions video, ang daming nagtatanong in terms of the performance nga ni Latafa Najdia. So, I tested and check kung gaano ba siya kaganda in terms of its performance. Now, let's talk about first the bottle presentation. Very simple, clear bottle, tapos parang may dahon siya dito, and cap is made out of plastic na medyo may kabigatan siya. And in terms of the design, tama lang naman. I'd say still not that unique in terms of the overall presentation, pero for 1,200 pesos, okay. It's okay for me. You can simply put this on a display with your other perfumes. Okay. Now, in terms of the atomizer sprayer, okay, two sprays right here. Tama-tama lang yung buga, volume na lumalabas dun sa ating atomizer. And in terms of the opening, okay, dito amoy mo na kagad yung yung kanyang watery notes, pagka-oceanic niya, amoy dagat na maalat, na fresh. Tapos, yan, lalabas na rin yung kanyang apple, bergamot, and then yung lemon. Okay? Yung cardamom, naamoy mo na rin, and rosemary. Yan, yun yung mga naamoy natin in terms of the opening. Now, may nagsasabi na parang synthetic yung amoy, na parang rubbery, synthetic, na hindi natin maintindihan. Yes, totoo siya. Medyo synthetic nga yung amoy niya sa opening. And then, medyo nawawala yung pagka-synthetic niya. Naamoy mo siya just on that opening part. Pero sa medyo pagka nag-die down na siya ng konti, after a few minutes lang naman, medyo lalabas na yung kanyang watery notes, saka yung kanyang citrus notes na lemon, apple, bergamot. Ayan, and lemongrass. Okay, so ilang naman. Siguro yung pagka-synthetic niya, naamoy mo in the first 20 to 30 minutes, and then eventually mawala na siya. Pero if you're off-put by that, I would suggest that you purchase this kung natatagal lang kayo sa that time period na 20 to 30 minutes. Now, in terms of performance, ang tanong din ng ibang tao, gaano ba siya katagal in terms of its projection and longevity? In terms of projection, ito yung masasabi ko sa inyo. Nispray ko siya couple of times, 5 times across sa katawan ko, and yung wife ko was sleeping and bigla siya nagising kasi sabi niya nasusulasok na siya sa amoy ng Najdia, and pagalitan pa nga ako kasi nga medyo kakasulasok daw yung amoy. Alright, so yun lang masasabi ko, ang lakas ng kanyang projection. That was around 3 meters away from me, naamoy niya pa rin. Ganong kalakas yung kasi maliit lang yung room namin, and medyo naka-aircon kami during that time. So naamoy niya kahit natutulog siya. So ayun lang. Be careful sa dami ng sprays kasi ang opening niya in terms of projection, ang lakas kagad. Okay, so it's, I think safe to say 4 to 5 sprays lang if you want to smell good. And then, ang kanyang longevity, I'd say around 4 to 6 hours na sa skin natin. Tumatagal talaga siya during that time. Nagpo-project pa rin siya 4 to 6 hours. And then, around the 5 to 6 hour mark, medyo nagiging skin scent na siya. So, you just have to reapply during that time. So, half of the day, and then reapply again, and then aabot na yun hanggang dulo ng work period mo. Siguro din within that 9 to 10 hour range. And then, sa damit naman, I think around 8 to 10 hours. And then, naamoy mo pa rin siya, malakas yung amoy niya. And then, nagiging medyo mellow na yung kanyang amoy after 10 to 12 hours. Okay. Um, okay. Terms of wearability, I'd say that you can use this during the summer. During the times na lalabas ka, pupunta ka ng mga mall, pupunta ka ng mga office, grocery, yan during the daytime, and highly suggested nga during this summer due to being smelling fresh and yung kanyang pagka oceanic. Okay? So, ano pa ba yung sasabihin natin about Najdia? For the price, I think good buy na rin siya. Ang warning ko lang sa inyo is yung pagka-amoy niya na synthetic in the first few minutes of the opening. Pero eventually, yung amoy synthetic niya nawawala rin naman. So, ayan. Okay? That's it for tonight's video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!